we're back once again playing Slime Rancher. I realised last two videos I got a couple of achievements and didn't tell you, but like I said, the other ones what I just simply got, so it'll just be mainly like a setup guide and just showing you what to do, and then we'll get round to the harder achievements once we've gone to each area, looked about, shown off some stuff. Alright, as you can tell it's changed a little. I will cut every now and again. I only just go and get money. I don't do anything off camera. Just get a couple of plots just to save time really, so it's not like 100 odd parts. But we'll be going to the mossy blanket, I think, in this video. Just showing you off a little bit, getting some boom and honey slimes to get more plots, monies, so we just need as much money as we can get at the start. So this will be a new area today in the video. I'll start speeding up more and more per video, and eventually once I've shown you all the setup and just basic things you can do in each area, I'll show you how to get the harder achievements, and I'll start listing them in the videos. For now, most of the starting ones, like selling at plots to the market and other stuff, you should just get naturally. I'll just be tackling the harder ones. But it's like I said, it's achievement guide / walkthrough as well. So we will get to the end, get the ending, and do all the other stuff. Then I'll maybe change to my main account to make it a bit easier. My main save to what's it called? Oh yeah, show you how to get the harder achievements. The most of them are pretty simple. It's a pretty easy-ish game for achievement wise, but it's fun and relaxing, so just trying to decide if I want a puddle slime, and then I realise I've got no swimming pool. Don't want to waste money on it yet, but they're a decent source of passive income because you don't have to feed them. They just give you water plots. You don't have to worry about anything. But yeah, for the people who are watching, make sure to give it tons of views, this walkthrough. So we got to beat DB. This is what this channel's about. It'll be game walkthroughs, achievement guides, and me and the other having matches on stuff, so I hope you enjoy it. We're getting more and more parts. Probably getting Monster Hunter World soon as well. And yeah, it's just come out today. Yeah, I can't make it over there because I ain't got jetpack. I need more money. I'm glad I got that upgrade for the thing that I recommended to get fitted in each slot. Mainly just for faster plot selling. Yeah, getting a decent look. I'll explore it more in other episodes of the Mossy Blanket. I'm just getting what I need for now. Watch out for them skull signs. That means these are about bad slimes, and they'll hurt. Unfortunately, I don't get a mint mango, which would have really helped out. have to get it next time. Just funny slimes everywhere. Probably don't need as much slimes as I did, but just get them just in case. Making some boom honey lagos. I usually mix the boom with rads, but we haven't unlocked indigo quarry yet, so I'm just compromising with honey. Usually mix honey with crystal. We'll be getting crystal slimes at some point when we unlock the other areas. Need to get to a certain island. I'm showing you how to do that, but for now I don't need the other two areas in the ranch. Like I said, it's just mainly all about getting your money as fast as possible. Or as slow as possible, it don't really matter, it'll come to you. Just need to keep getting them plots. Oh, some speedy shoes. They'd help out, but got no money. Need another garden here so I can get fruit. So honey and booms won't eat the carrots. Don't know where that chicken went. I thought the boom had eaten it, but it didn't give me a plot, so it just disappeared from existence. Probably be seeing the ranch a lot in these episodes. It's the main place you need to be to make your money. Like I said, I'll show off all the other areas. There we go, I've got my chicken. All I need is the one boom plot, because you can feed a plot to another slime and it'll turn into a combination of them both. And when you feed it, it'll give you both of the plots. And if you feed it one of the slime's favourite food, it'll give you two of each plot. So it's very beneficial to have each slime's favourite food, or at least one of each combination of slime. Look at all them plots in there. Give me enough money for my garden. I've got like 2 minutes left of the video. So yeah, not much happening for these first couple of episodes, but it'll soon change. Start getting bigger and bigger skips just for collecting money. I mean, if you guys want to see that, comment and say so and I'll put it in, but I doubt anybody wants to see me just running around a farm constantly, selling plots. But it's a fun game. Got it free with Xbox Gold the month it came out. Still a decent buy. Don't know how much it is. But yeah, we're coming towards the end now, so like always, remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Really help, we're just starting out. Gives a lot more motivation to make videos. And remember to watch my videos more than DB's. you're gonna have a bad time.